Welcome to the Phrasal Verb Challenge Lesson 1. Today we're going to learn how to use 4 phrasal verbs in different tenses. In simple present, in simple past, in simple future, and in present continuous.
Honey, go put on a jacket. Go put on a jacket.
Okay, Daddy.
The first phrasal verb is put on. Put on. This phrasal verb means to place a piece of clothing on your body. Example in simple present, he puts on his glasses to read. Example in simple past, I put on a coat because it was cold. Example in simple future, she will put on her new dress for the party. Example in present continuous, the actors are putting on their costumes. Let's do now a short quiz with this phrasal verb. So here you can pause the video, read the sentence, think what the answer is, and later play the video again to confirm your answer. The sentence number 1 says, it's cold, you should a jacket. It's cold, you should put on a jacket. Sentence number 2, he quickly his shoes and ran outside. He quickly put on his shoes and ran outside. Check that this sentence is in simple past. Number 3, they are a play at the local theater tonight. They are a play at the local theater tonight. They are putting on a play at the local theater tonight.
Take off your clothes. Huh. Go in there and take off your clothes.
Second phrasal verb, take off. Take off. This phrasal verb means to remove clothing. We also use it when we are talking about planes and we want to say that they are leaving the ground. The example in simple present is, please take off your shoes before entering. Example in simple past, the plane took off on time. Example in simple future, I will take off my jacket once I am inside. And example in present continuous, he is taking off his shoes because they are dirty. Let's do now a short quiz with this phrasal verb, take off. The sentence number 1 says, the plane is scheduled to in an hour. The plane is scheduled to take off in an hour. Remember to pause the video, think what the answer is, and later play it again. Sentence number 2. He's hot as soon as he entered the building. He took off his hat as soon as he entered the building. And the sentence number 3 says, it's polite to your sunglasses when you speak to someone indoors. It is polite to take off your sunglasses when you speak to someone indoors. Well done.
But go to bed.
They get up early, get things ready for the dance.
Yeah. Third phrasal verb, get up. Get up. This phrasal verb means to rise from bed after sleeping. Example in simple present, I usually get up at 6 a.m. Example in simple past, she got up late this morning. She got up late this morning. Example in simple future, we will have to get up early for our flight. We will have to get up early for our flight. And example in present continuous, I am getting up early these days. I am getting up early these days. Let's do now a short quiz with this phrasal verb. Get up, get up. The sentence number 1 says, what time do you usually on weekends? What time do you usually on weekends? Do you usually get up on weekends? Sentence number 2, he was so tired, he from the sofa and went to bed. He was so tired, he got up from the sofa and went to bed. And sentence number 3 says, I'm not looking forward to early tomorrow. I'm not looking forward to getting up early tomorrow.
When I woke up, Jonah was gone.
And the fourth phrasal verb is wake up. Wake up. This phrasal verb means to stop sleeping and become conscious. Example in simple present, my alarm helps me to wake up. Example in simple past, a loud noise woke me up last night. A loud noise woke me up last night. Example in simple future, I will probably wake up late tomorrow. And example in present continuous is the baby is waking up from her nap. The baby is waking up from her nap. Let's continue now with a short quiz for this phrasal verb, wake up. Remember my recommendation. Pause the video, think what the answer is, and later play the video again to confirm if your answer was right. The sentence number 1 says, could you, me, at 7 a.m. tomorrow? Could you wake me up at 7 a.m. tomorrow? That's correct. So number 1 says, could you wake, later me, and later up. Wake me up at 7 a.m. tomorrow. Sentence number 2. I, in the middle of the night, because I was thirsty. I woke up in the middle of the night because I was thirsty. The conjugation of the phrasal verb here is in simple past because the context is in simple past. It says, I was thirsty. And sentence number 3, be quiet, you don't want to, the dog. Be quiet, you don't want to wake up the dog. And this is all for today. Hope to see you in the next lesson to continue learning more phrasal verbs. Please let me know in the comments what other topics you would like to learn. Bye!